Hi, I'm Lawrence De Bruyne. I'm Drivability Engineer here at TREMEC. I made the connection between what the driver feels in the car and what we have to calibrate in our software to make sure that the driver experience is where we want it to be.
In this Ford video, we can see how the GTD impressively puts on a sub 7-minute lap. What were you doing there?
On that day we were supporting to make sure that our transmission was shifting exactly how we wanted it to, so that we could take the most performance out of the transmission that is humanly possible to make sure that we could indeed break that record.
So, Lawrence, how did the day go?
It started out pretty miserable because it was pouring rain the whole morning, and then in the afternoon it started clearing up, but unfortunately because it's a very big track, it's really hard to get a full dry track when it has rained. So we had to go out in suboptimal conditions, but we still did it.
What did you like most about that day?
About that day specifically is that we had the whole team being there. So we had Multimatic, we had TREMEC, we had Michelin being there for the tires, we had us being there for the transmission, and we really worked as one to get that car around track. So at a certain moment it wasn't 4 teams, it was just all together make sure the car can go as fast as possible.
Do you like the GTD?
I am a fan because it's a very powerful car. It goes around the track really well. It handles really good. I like the shifts because I was able to calibrate them myself, so I was quite happy with that.